So I fixed it, so now it's not attached to my skin anymore. But you know, ooh, good. Yes, y'all. Look at that. Stuck. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the Ioni or Ioni extra large wispy dramatic lash 100% handmade 3D fur mink lashes. So I had hauled this lashes. I don't know if you guys can remember, but I hauled these, but I never actually did a video of it. So today I'm going to be doing, you know, tutorial on this one. And I also found the 100% vegan Ioni everlasting lash glue. I never tried it before, but we are about to see. So this is what the glue looks like. It's from the same company and everything else, so that is how this is looking like. So I'm gonna be zooming in soon. So this is the packaging, and this is what it looks like. So it comes in like that. So it has the cover to it and that. Okay, so this is the lashes right here. And it's the same packaging. It does have a cover to it, and like if you wanna, you know, use it again and cover it up so the dust will not get to it. So if you put in your lashes on, it tells you which eye this go to and which eye this one go to. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be doing 2 ways today on how to, you know, normally I'll do it one way, but today I'm gonna actually put it on my eyelid and then apply the lash on there, but then I will add another layer of glue on the lash band as well. So we're gonna start with this one. Make sure your tweezer is clean. If it's not clean, whatever product you use prior to it, it would literally stuck to it. So it's good to actually clean. So I'm gonna cut the little piece that comes right there and right there. So if your lashes is literally big for your eyes, so always cut from the back, which is at the end, you know, so instead of the front. So I'm not gonna be cutting anything today. So what I'm gonna do is take my glue, okay, and then apply it on the lash band. And then take another glue, take the glue thing, okay. So now you are taking this, and make sure you do the band all the way at the end, because they always lift right there too. So now take your lash like that. So they look pretty stuck. So the excess glue that I have on here, so they are pretty. Yeah, look at that. Okay, so basically that's how you should apply your lash. Basically, normally I won't put it on here, but today I decided to do that and to see how good that is. But if you don't feel comfortable with doing it, you don't have to do it. So you know, so that's pretty much, look at that, it's stuck on here. Let me bring you closer. It's stuck. Okay. Okay guys, so I literally put on these lashes on, and this is how they're looking. This one. So this one is a little bit flare than this one, but it's so good. So yeah, like this one is stuck. Like, let me see. Ooh, put it down a little bit. Okay, so let me fix this one. Okay, so I think I fixed it. Okay guys, so I think I fixed it, but so far it looks pretty good for a Dollar Tree. Make sure you wipe off all those extra glue that I have on here. At least I'm showing you guys my struggles, and yeah, so everything ain't glitz and glamorous, like, you know, you see that, just a little bit giving me a hard time, but it's stuck. It looks like my skin and my eyelid are connected together but you know, I'll fix it later. But guys, yes, yes, I will definitely everlasting glue. Ooh, yes, I would definitely yes recommend this Ioni everlasting lash glue. Definitely will be doing more lashes with this one as well. And then I use the extra large wispy dramatic lash, as you can see. It's very good. So yeah, but this eye, it's giving me nonsense, but it's stuck. It's there, but just that my skin is, you know. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys. Bye.